Hey everyone, Dr. Arpin Patel here from Alpha Dental Excellence in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to talk to you about implant-supported dentures. Dental implants can be utilized in many different ways. One of the most popular ways dental implants have helped thousands of patients is by giving them the ability to have the tightest fitting denture. This is also known as an overdenture or a snap-in denture. Just as a chair has 4 legs, and when all 4 legs touch the ground, the chair is nice and stable. Just as a denture would require 4 dental implants to be fully stabilized. Once these 4 dental implants are fused to your bone, the next step is to attach the denture to these implants. The tightness of these implants can be adjusted. You see, one of the biggest advantages of having dental implants is simply no plastic on the roof of your mouth, as you would have with a traditional denture. The plastic on these traditional dentures that cover the roof of your mouth is there simply for suction purposes. Well, when you have 4 dental implants that hold the denture in place, there is no need for this suction or adhesives such as Polygrip or Fixodent. Therefore, we have the ability of cutting the plastic on the roof of your mouth out. These are going to be the tightest fitting dentures that one can have in their mouth. A procedure of this sort will take a few months from start to completion. In the meantime, you will have a temporary denture that is fabricated just for you from day one. That's right, you will never walk out of our office without any teeth, even for 1 minute. We always offer a free consultation with a 3D CT scan just for you to know. It never hurts to find out what your options are. Please call us or visit our website to schedule a free consultation. Thank you.